Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Interactive Brokers platform. Let's begin. So I'll be using the interactivebrokers.com website, and it says there, getting started with TWS. So there are a few things that will be discussed here. So getting started with TWS, download and set up TWS, then Mosaic functionality, then customize the Mosaic layout. So install TWS. Go to the Interactive Brokers website at ibkr.com to perform a one-time download of TWS. Here you'll see the three available TWS versions, the TWS latest, and then the beta, and the normal version. To determine which version is right for you, hover over each option with your mouse to read a description of each one. Now it is time for you to log in. You'll be presented with the TWS login screen. Before you log in, let's take a look at the available settings. You can select either live trading or paper trading mode. For this course, we'll select a paper trading test environment to learn trading features of TWS without risk. Paper trading lets you use the full range of trading facilities in a simulated environment using real market conditions. So you can see more information such as switching TWS versions without downloading additional software, and then selecting a preferred color theme, then defining your language setting, then adjusting your region and time zone, and more. Now the Mosaic panels. As you can see, the default Mosaic view inside TWS comprises a series of individual tiles or panels that operate within a highly configurable interface. And this is the order entry panel over there. So we have the buy, then the sell option, then the submit option there at the right side. To the upper left, you'll see the order entry window, which includes the price quote for a selected financial instrument. The window enables you to quickly configure a buy or sell order, which you can then submit to an exchange for execution. Below that, you'll see the quote panel, which will provide you with additional pricing and fundamental details for the selected asset. And then we have the chart panel. Alongside that is a chart panel displaying a bar or line price action over a configurable time period. Then there's the activity panel. At the bottom of the Mosaic display is an activity panel where you can review open orders, completed trades, and review a summary of your activity. Then we have news panel. We also have the news monitor in the lower right corner, and above that is the monitor panel, which is arguably the most important of all these windows. So the news panel is the most important. Then we have the monitor panel. Here you can display many symbols along with a host of configurable columns containing valuable trading information. Then the Mosaic tabs. Now that you've had a big picture overview of the Mosaic layouts, let's look at the two tabs at the lower left of TWS, which read Mosaic and Classic TWS. The Classic TWS tab opens to a spreadsheet-like display of TWS where you can enter symbols on each line and trade. Our focus in this course, however, will be on the newer Mosaic interface. Next to the Classic TWS tab is a plus sign. Click this symbol to create self-designed Mosaic tabs or access the layout library. When you click Browse beneath the layout library image, you'll see a myriad of predefined Mosaic workspace layouts based on specific workflows or instruments. Mosaic Layout Library. You can customize these predefined layouts or create your own from scratch. You may wish to run multiple tabs inside TWS by using the layout library to customize your own workspace. To add a predefined layout to Mosaic, simply click the Add Layout button. Now you will see the new layout display on your screen. This is a popular way to access the information you frequently use. Then TWS Mosaic panel icons. Hover above any of the icons and you'll reveal the name of each. The question mark icon will display a cheat sheet or tutorial for that specific channel. You'll see on the right side that you can add or remove columns on the monitor panel. So you can select the position and P and L grouping and add an unrealized P and L column by clicking the Add button. Simply click Apply and OK when you're done. Then we have the Windows grouping. Assign a panel to a group using the colored links on the top right of the Windows title bar. You'll notice that all windows with the same color link are part of the same group. Here's where you can access several additional tools such as trade log, quote details, watchlist, portfolio, and so on. You can always tell when the Mosaic display is in edit mode by clicking the thick green border surrounding the entire container. Now you can reduce or enlarge the panels. And so if you want to resize and make space for an additional panel, click and drag the edge of a tile and then reposition the added panel chosen from the new window menu. Then we have the account menu. So you're going to have to go to the top left and then select account, and you're going to have different options here. Here's where you can view your account information such as your reports and statements, subscribe to additional market data, and more. The accounts window shows you a quick overview of your balances, margin requirements, funds available for trading, and portfolio positions. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.